Being able to earn extra cash anytime and anywhere can definitely come in very handy. Imagine being able to earn a few bucks here and there just while you're in the bathroom, while you're waiting in line at the bank, or even while waiting for your boss to start that Zoom meeting. The app that we'll be talking about today will help you get paid by simply tapping on your phone screen. And if you want to learn how to set this up, then stick around for the entire video because I'll be showing you exactly how to do that. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways that you can make money online. If you want to achieve financial freedom, or if you want to grow the number of income streams that you currently have, if you maybe want to monetize your free time, then you've come to the right place because those are the kinds of things that we talk about day in and day out on this channel. Join our community by hitting the like, share, and subscribe buttons down below because we do post multiple videos a week, and trust me when I say you wouldn't want to miss out on a single one of them. With all of that said, let's go make some money! Alright, so the very first thing that I need you to do would be to visit this website called Enrollab.com. It's quite a popular platform that allows its users to make money remotely and get paid easily through PayPal. No technical skills, no expertise required. To be more specific, it's a testing site that pays users to take these really quick and easy usability tests, and the tests are pretty simple. They're usually just all about testing products and services that will be marketed online, whereby the tester will be part of a group to determine whether or not it would make sense to launch the product or service. To give you a clearer picture of what these tests might look like, they can be as simple as giving your opinion about a product logo, maybe commenting on designs, services, and also completing a short task here and there. And the objective for all of these tests is simply for you to discover if the interactions on the website or app make sense for it to be launched. You'll also help with catching any bugs before the products are actually launched to market. While performing the test or review that's been assigned to you, you can pretty much do it anywhere, meaning you can be lounging around in bed or on a beach somewhere and you can still do this pretty well. Depending on which device the test is available in, you can also choose which one you prefer. Some tests call for a desktop computer, others are fine with just a mobile phone. But the best part is that when you spend time testing the usability of a product, you get paid for what you do. To start giving it a try, you have to first click on this sign in button over here, and it's actually really easy. All you need is an email address and a password. After entering in those details, the Enrollab will send you a verification link, which you can easily click on to activate your account. After signing up, simply log into your account and you'll be able to see the tests available to you on your dashboard or through email. All tests are available on a first-come, first-service, meaning as soon as you see one available to you and you want to take it, you should grab that chance because there are limited slots per test. You should also note that different tests do pay out different amounts, and these payments, once they're completed, will be sent straight to your PayPal account. So besides the actual testing of products and services, there will be really quick and simple tasks that you can do here, like answer polls. For example, here you can see that a poll question appears on the center of my dashboard, just really basic questions that can literally be answered in a second or two. So you simply need to click on your choice and move on. You can also choose to answer just one poll question at a time, but remember, the more you choose to answer, the more points you will get as well. Another good reason for answering the poll question would be that the more Enrollab knows about you, your preferences, your lifestyle, the more tests will be made available to you, and this is how you increase your income potential here. You see, when it comes to market research, brands and companies do look for a specific profile or demographic, and if your profile is general, maybe just your name and email address on there, then your chances of getting assigned might be pretty slim. But as the website learns more about you, your lifestyle, your hobbies, and your demographic profile, then the more tests and projects should be assigned to you as well. If you're enjoying the video so far, please make sure that you like and share it. Also, subscribe to the channel so that you're notified each time we have a new money-making video up, just like this one. Now for a bonus tip to help you earn even more on this platform. If you have 5 minutes to spare each day, then make sure to use that time wisely and log into the Enrollab. Take the available tests, answer poll questions, just 5 minutes a day, guys. Do it for 30 days straight because the Enrollab takes note of your progress on their platform, and the more active you are, the more you progress. This can unlock badges for you. The more badges, the more points and bonuses, which of course is equal to you making more money too. As for my second bonus tip, well, once you're logged into your account and have access to the dashboard, I want you to click on this down arrow button over here, which should drop down to show multiple options, including test preferences. Now click on that, and this window should open up next. It says here, let's make sure all of your profile settings are kept up to date. As a reminder, all of your responses to these questions will be kept private. Now on devices I can test on, make sure that if you have all three of these, mobile phone, tablet, and desktop, then make sure that you click on all three of those too. This will also increase your chances of receiving tests. On testing availability, make sure that you select Send Me Tests as soon as possible. These will be sent through your email address and also be visible on your dashboard. And don't worry, because even if you're working a day job and you won't be able to answer the tests as soon as they're available, just having that as an option is still going to allow you to access more tests and thereby help you earn more money. Lastly, I would suggest that you tick on this box that says send me an email when I qualify for a test under notification. This will again help you gain access to more tests and help you make as much money as you can on this platform. I hope that this video, this app got your creative juices flowing and opened your eyes to the potential and opportunity before you. Now go on and take that first step and just start working your way toward financial freedom today. And hey, if you haven't already, then please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell below because it really does help with the YouTube algorithm and you get to access all of our videos instantly as well. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends and family. I would love to be able to help them out as well. As our community continues to grow, it's also gotten more and more engaged. And I just want to thank you guys and let you know that I read each and every one of the comments that you leave me here. Alrighty guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you again on the next one.